So welcome to this video once again on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get fast approval to promote Warrior Plus and JVZoo products on Munchai. So in case you want to promote product launches on Munchai and you are looking to get your affiliate links approved, I'll show you how to get fast approval, very fast. In fact, this method I'm going to show you has proven to get me 90 to 95% approval rate for all the affiliate link requests I've already pushed out. So anytime I want to promote a product and I use this particular method, I normally get fast approval, and I'll show you how to go about this. I'll also show you my super converting scripts I normally use in order to get all of this done. So don't skip ahead, don't click off this video. I'm going to review to you how to get fast approval for your affiliate links to promote Warrior Plus and JVZoo products. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to review to you my super converting scripts. In fact, this script has been able to entice product vendors to approve my affiliate link request. So this is what you get in this video. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that I don't miss future videos from me. In case you are new to the channel and you are into affiliate marketing, side hustles, make money online, subscribe. So the first thing to do, if you go to Munchai, the first thing to do on Munchai is to look for a product that will be launched 2 weeks ahead of time. So you don't want a situation whereby a product is being launched tomorrow and you're applying for your links today. So look for a product that is being launched 2 weeks ahead of time. Why 2 weeks? Is because you have a lot of time to be able to hit up the product vendor and be able to ask for your affiliate links to be approved, and also ask for review access. So I also show you how to ask for review access as well. So that is the first thing you need to do. Now, the second thing you need to do is to check for a product if this is your first time. If this is your first time of actually promoting a product, or if you are a newbie, if you are a beginner, check for a product that is not a big launch. Let me give you an example. Just at first glance here, I've seen something. This is Brian Dean. This will be a big launch. This is Dan Lok. Brian Dean and Dan Lok are putting out a product on the same day. These are huge, big marketers. So you notice that this will be a very huge product launch, because big names will want to actually go for these product launches. So these are huge launches. So pick a product that is actually not a huge launch. So how do you know a product that is not a huge launch? First of all, don't pick a product that is on the left hand side. Go with the product on your right hand side, and look at the prices. Pick products that are below $10. Please pick a product that are below $10. Most of these $10 products are smaller launches. That is another thing you need to do. Let me give you a perfect example of a product that is a small launch. So Passively, let me open Passively. Passively is a product that will actually not be a huge launch. So once you go for this kind of product, there's a high chance for your affiliate links to be approved. So how do you know that it's not going to be a huge launch? This is one of the ways you know that it will not be a huge launch. So if you come down to the prices they are willing to offer, you find out that the first price is just $500 and second price $200. This is $100. If we try to compare it with, let's say, let me look for this product. Let's see this product and let's try to compare Passively with this product, and you see what I'm talking about. If we try to compare it with this particular product. So this is the product on Munchai, Avatar Builder. I just clicked on it and it's up here. So this is the page here. If we go down to the prices they are willing to offer for this product launch, if we go down and see the price they are willing to offer for this product launch, you notice that they are willing to offer $30,000 for this particular product launch. So this is the first price. They are willing to give out $5,000 for the first winner, $1,500 for the second, $1,000 for the third. And this is just the phase 1 of the contest. Phase 2, they are also giving out this huge amount of money. this automatically tells you that this will be a huge launch and you get huge affiliate marketers, big affiliate marketers looking to promote this product launch so as to win this money. So if you are a newbie and you want to go for this particular product, it will be difficult to get your affiliate link approved. So that is the second way. Go for product launches that are not huge. So I've talked about promoting product launches that are not huge product launches. So go for smaller product launches. You have higher chances of getting your affiliate links approved. So if you take this product launch, for example, avatar builder, this is what the JV page looks like. If you come down to the prices they are ready to offer, you see that they are ready to offer as much as 30,000, the 30,000 in cash prizes. So you know that this is a big product launch and big affiliates will want to promote this particular launch. So instead of joining big affiliate to promote this particular launch and you not getting your affiliate links approved, on the same day that this product will be launching, this avatar builder on the 6th, you can go with these other smaller launches. This is a launch that will sell for $9. This is another launch that will sell for $10 that day. You can go with other smaller launches, and if you compare what you have in avatar with passively, remember that passively is only giving out $1,000. So compared to a product launch that is giving out $30,000, you notice that this is a smaller product launch and you get your affiliate links approved easily for this kind of product launch. The third way to go about getting your affiliate link approved is to show the product vendors that you have a blog, or a website where you write your review on. So this is my own blog, and this is a review for a product that is launching in the market, passively review. So once they come to your blog and they see that there is a review for you have a blog, once they come to your blog and they see that you have this blog post where you review products, it will be easier to get your affiliate link approved because it shows that you are more serious as an affiliate marketer. It shows that you are not going to drive bot traffic to them, and it also shows that you are going to drive high quality traffic to them. So that is another thing you must have a proof of concept. So you can use Medium. If you don't want to start a blog of your own, you can use Medium. Go to medium.com. If you go to medium.com, sign up for a free account here, and you use that to serve as your own blog. So let me show you my articles on medium.com. So if you come to medium.com here and you go to stories, let me click on my story. If you click on, so let me click on published. You click on published, you can see these are the articles I have published on this medium.com blog. So you notice that this will also serve as a proof to the vendors that you are serious about making money online. So, and another way to go about it is to do a phone review. You need to do a phone review, is to do a video review. So in the video review, what you simply do is to take your phone, put your phone in selfie mode, record the video of yourself, telling the vendor whom you are, and how you will promote the product, how you will promote his product. So tell him whom you are, how you are going to promote his product. Tell me that you are not sending bot traffic, that you are sending high quality traffic to him through SEO and ranking your review pages on Google. When you do that, upload this video to YouTube, make it unlisted. Go to YouTube, upload the video, click on upload there, upload the video, click on upload video. When you click on upload video, you should be able to upload that video on YouTube. When you upload that video on YouTube, send it over to the product vendor to watch. Take the link, send it over to the product vendor. So when you upload the video on YouTube, make it unlisted and send it to the product vendor to watch. So that will make the product vendor see you as a very serious affiliate for you to go ahead to do a video review for him. So it will see you, the product vendor will see you as a very serious affiliate who is serious about making money online. So that is that. Another way is to use my high converting script. So this the script I normally use to get my affiliate link approved easily, my affiliate request approved easily. So this is script I normally use to get my affiliate request approved easily. So let me go over it. So you say good day. When you say good day, you can put the vendor's name next to it. You can put the vendor's name to it. So if you add the vendor's name, vendor's name, so you can put the vendor's name there. Good day vendor's name. So if the vendor's name is Matt, you say good day Nat. If the vendor's name is Victor, you say good day Victor. In case you can't get the vendor's name, you can just simply take that part out and just leave it as good day. So this is so you put your first name, and I like to promote your upcoming product launch. So you put the product name here, which will be launching on, you put the launch date. You should be able to get all of this information from Muncheye. Assuming you want to promote this particular product. Okay, let's say assuming you want to go, assume you want to promote this particular product by Glencoski. So what this thing will look like is good day Glencoski. This is, you put your name. I like to promote your upcoming product launch. So what is the product launch name? New Year Profit Bots. So that will be launching on, so where is Glencoski? That will be launching on the 10th of January. So if you go back, so you say good, I would like to promote your upcoming product launch. You put the name that will be launching on, you put the date of the launch there. I really think it will be a nice fit for my audience. So this will tell them that you already have an audience that you are promoting, that you will be promoting this product to, not that you are totally brand new. So I will be promoting it using complete SEO traffic on both my blog at, you put your blog name here, you put your blog link. So here will be your blog link. So you put your blog link there, and my YouTube channel at. If you don't have a YouTube channel, you can easily take out this part. So you make sure you always have a blog link. It is either a review blog of your own, or you use medium.com. I've said it before, use medium.com. or medium.com, you should be able to get a free blog. Use medium.com. So after that, I know that your EPC is of a great concern to you. Therefore, I'm fine with delayed commission. So you are telling him that, okay, you are aware that he don't want to crash his EPC. So you are fine with delayed commission. So thanks, and do have a successful launch. Then you put your name. Then at the end of the day, say, I'd like to also have review access so as to do a better review for the product. So this will show the vendor that even though you are a newbie, even though you are a beginner, at least you have an idea of how the whole process works. So that is what this will automatically tell the product vendor. So with this script, once you post this script here, just copy this script. This is what you do. Copy this script. When you copy the script, go to any product you want to promote. There will always be a link to request for your affiliate link. There will also be a link here. Get your affiliate link here. Click on it. This is on JVZoo. You see this space here. On this space, in this space here, this is where you post what I gave to you. So post it here and hit up the vendor. Tell the vendor whom you are and how you are going to promote the product. Once you do all of this, you should be able to get your affiliate links approved easily for any particular product you want to promote. You should be able to get 90% approval rate. And another thing to do is to always hit up the vendor. Do a follow-up. If after the first day your links has not been approved, you can see on every of this JV page there is a link to connect with the vendor on social media, so mostly on Facebook and on Skype. So go there and hit up these vendors. Tell them that you've applied to promote their product. Give them your username. Tell them who you are, and they'll always approve you very, very fast. So that is all I have for you in this video. So if you check the description below, you should be able to see a link to download this script there. If you don't see the link, you can use the comment section to message me, and I'll drop you the link to download this particular script. So see you somewhere online, and peace out.